In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Privacy and Security. Now choose Location Services and use this switcher at the top right next to Location Services to switch them off. You need to choose Turn Off in the pop-up every time or turn them on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!